welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss breakfast recipe. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan, into this add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow them to splutter. Then to this add 1 clove of garlic chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, few curry leaves and 5 shallots chopped. Mix it well for a minute. Then to this add a tablespoon of chopped tomatoes, a tablespoon of chopped carrots and a tablespoon of peas. Mix it well. Then to this add half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the turmeric powder goes off. Now to this add a cup of quinoa. Mix it well for a minute. Quinoa is very nutritious as it's rich in protein with all the essential amino acids, fiber, magnesium, phosphorus, iron and potassium. It contains plant compounds, very high in antioxidants, improves metabolism, thus helps in weight loss. Now to this add 3 cups of water and mix it well. Let this cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. It's nicely boiling now. Continue to mix and cook. After 5 minutes, the quinoa is well cooked and ready. So off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a healthy weight loss breakfast is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. And very easy to make and a very healthy recipe. So do try this fat cutter breakfast recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.